Health benefits of Bignay fruit. How to use Bignay. Side effects of Bignay. Bignay nutrition facts. 11 health benefits and nutrition values of Bignay. Bignay, also known as Queensland cherry, is a nutrient-loaded fruit found in Malaysia and Singapore. This red-hued fruit is usually the size of a gooseberry. Bignay benefits are slowly gaining popularity among many health enthusiasts. Even the leaves of this plant offer an array of health benefits. As per health experts, the Bignay tea, which is made from the bark of this tree, has many positive effects on health. The tea can aid in weight loss, promote heart health, and lower cholesterol levels. 1. Natural source of antioxidants. The natural antioxidative properties of this fruit, due to the presence of catechins, enable it to fight against the free radicals present in the human body. The excessive presence of these radicals can result in premature onset of wrinkles, fine lines, and even cause cancer. The absence of antioxidants can result in the above-mentioned conditions. You can now keep all these at bay by consumption of Bignay, as whole fruit, or as tea. Bignay also contains mangiferin, a polyphenol antioxidant that prevents oxidation of LDL cholesterol and reduces the risk of cardiovascular disease. 2. Used in the treatment of syphilis. Syphilis is an infection transmitted sexually. Studies conducted on this plant have revealed that the leaves of this tree, when boiled, have the potential to treat syphilis. 3. May treat urinary tract infections. Bignay is known to offer relief from infections that affect the urinary tract. However, limited scientific evidence is available to prove this claim. 4. Keeps your blood pressure levels under control. Bignay, in the form of fruit and leaves, has the potential to keep the levels of blood pressure under control. Thus, it could be consumed by people suffering from hypertension to thwart off various hypertension-induced cardiovascular issues. 5. Natural antidote for snake bites. The matured leaves of Bignay have been used in alternative medicines by Asian physicians to treat snake bites. 6. Helps you lose weight. Bignay tea is known to possess appetite-suppressing properties. Thus, drinking a cup of this tea half an hour before each meal can help you lose weight in a better way. 7. Natural remedy for constipation. Bignay fruit, when consumed in large quantities, is known to render a laxative effect. Hence, it can be used, in a restricted way, to offer relief to those who are suffering from constipation. 8. May do good for your colon. Bignay tea is a well-known natural colon cleanser. Therefore, you can make use of this tea to eliminate unwanted toxins from your body. The natural detoxifying properties of the tea can help you lose weight while helping you look younger. It is also known to improve digestion and thus, beneficial for your colon. However, limited data is available to prove these claims. 9. Good for the liver. According to a study conducted by mice, Bignay fruit extracts can help to keep your liver healthier. However, more human studies are needed to understand this benefit of Bignay. 10. Good for healthier immune system. Bignay tea is known to pep up your metabolism's levels. The better the metabolism levels, the lower the infections will be. Thus, Bignay benefits to boost the power of your immune system. 11. May help fight inflammation associated with arthritis. The mangiferin in Bignay has anti-inflammatory properties. It may help fight the inflammation associated with rheumatoid arthritis and reduce the risk of joint destruction. How to use Bignay. You can use the fruit to make brandy, wine, and vinegar. A natural flavoring agent, it is used popularly for making juices and jams. The berries can also be consumed raw, while the leaves can be used in salads. Side effects of Bignay. The fruits and leaves of this plant are edible, but stay away from the roots as they are poisonous. Pregnant women should stay away from these berries as Bignay is known to cause abortion. However, there is not enough scientific evidence to prove these claims. Bignay nutrition facts. The food value given is for per 100 grams of the fruit. Moisture 91.11 to 94.80 grams. Protein 0.75 grams. Ash 0.57 to 0.78 grams. Calcium 0.12 milligram. Phosphorus 0.04 milligram. Iron 0.001 milligram. Thiamine 0.031 milligram. Riboflavin 0.072 milligram. Niacin 0.53 milligram. Bignays are small red fruits native to Southeast Asia that are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Bignay's benefits include better immunity, improved metabolism, and reduced blood pressure levels. They also are natural colon cleansers and may relieve constipation and help ease digestive problems. You can consume Bignays in various ways, in vinegar, in jams and juices, in salads, or even raw. However, Bignays are anecdotally reported to cause miscarriage. Thus, pregnant women should avoid them and consult their doctor. Disclaimer: herbs can help with various ailments. But many of these are not yet adequately studied and are not yet certain. This channel cannot guarantee that they are effective because the effect of herbal medicines may work in some, but in others it may not work at all. As with other medicines, it is important to consult your doctor about taking herbal medicines. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to be updated for my next videos.